Hi, and welcome to 3-Minute Thursdays, where you are going to be given practical tips and strategies to help you thrive. So today I want to talk about healing. Healing is the process of restoring your mind and your heart, and then ultimately restoring your life. The problem is healing isn't linear. So it's not an easy process. It's not an easy progress. It's not even something that really makes sense. What works one time may not work the next time. And so you may ask, well, how do I know if I'm healing? Let's talk about it. You know that you're healing when you're able to forgive the people, the pain, and the process that God has used to propel you. So you will know that you're healed when you're able to forgive the people, the pain, and the process that God has used to propel you. So the truth is, when we go through various situations, it's easy to become angry, to become unforgiving, and to become bitter. But those things don't help us. Your pain and the people and the process that you had to experience have a chance to propel you. The thing is, they can propel you in various directions. So when I say that you can propel in various directions, what I mean by that is with your pain and the situation that you've experienced, you can propel into the direction of your success, or you can propel backwards, meaning that you're either staying stuck or you're not moving, none of which are good. We should always be moving in the direction of our success and becoming a better version of ourselves. And if we're not able to let go of that pain and that process and those people that God has used for our purpose, then we're not going to ever move forward. We're not ever going to find the success that ultimately results from that. So what is the point of releasing these things? And I am a firm believer that you must have reasons before you can have results. So if you want results on your healing journey, you have to understand why it's important. The first reason it's important is because it releases unforgiveness. It helps you to let go of that baggage and that weight that you're carrying that often keeps you stuck. The truth is, when you're carrying unforgiveness, you're moving on emotion and you're making your choices based on emotion, which is ultimately never good or healthy for you. The second reason that it's important is because it really allows you to learn. When we go through various experiences, we are supposed to learn from those so that we can make different and more informed decisions in the future. When we're holding on to unforgiveness and bitterness, we have no opportunity to learn what we're supposed to learn from that situation. So I challenge you today to start working on your forgiveness and letting go of those people, of the pain, and the problems that God is going to use to propel you, and trust that there's a purpose behind it. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll chat with y'all later. Bye.